It's very bullish and healthy to get a rejection there. And what you're going to look to do is stay on top of the 200-day and then consolidate. And then on your next push, you break the 24 cents and hold that. And then you continue to the upside here in the ALGO. And that's what we're looking at in the ALGO price here. Sorry, this video got cut off. So I'm just going to release it in 2 parts so I don't have to try to piece it together. And it takes 3 hours. When you try to put 2 videos that are more than 5 minutes together, sometimes it takes a very long time. You can see the XCN price had that pump we were talking about the other day, got over the 14-cent level, and now we're sitting just above the 100-day and 50-day moving averages. And what you want to see now that you're above this in XCN is you just want to hold this 14.5 or the top part of this purple trading zone, and that'll catapult you up to the next resistance level. And that's what we're going to look for in the next several days. Do we pump to this next resistant level, an area that we had 3 rejections by on the last pump up back in April and May? Back in April and May. I like how they put that button there though. Back in April and May, we got rejected 3 times after we had our initial pump. So this is going to be the next major thing we're looking at in XCN. Does it hold this consolidation and pump up to the 0.023 cents, or does it come all the way back down on a rejection to the 200-day moving average? The XDC is the same thing. We blew over the moving averages like we talked about to get bullish. Now what we want to look for is the same thing as these other ones. As you can see, we've consolidated just above the 200-day. You just want to stay above the 200-day, and then you can have a return rally up to this next major resistance zone at the 0.083 cent level. If this consolidation continues and we fail to hold the 200-day, you could come all the way back down to the 50-day, and that's what you want to hold to stay short to medium-term bullish and to not give this most recent push and gang back. You just want to stay over the 200-day moving average or the 50-day moving average on this consolidation, and then potentially after you take out the 0.08, maybe you can make a run up at the 0.10 level. The same thing with the DGB. You're broken above now this critical 0.00840 level. You're above the 50-day moving average. And at the current price, you got rejected by a technical level, which you would expect to see the 100-day at 0.00860. And now you've consolidated to just above the 50 and just below this 0.008. You want to get back on top of this 0.008, and then you can consolidate and then push on the next run up to the 200-day, sit on top of the 100-day, and then try to break the 200-day, right? And that would get you medium-term bullish. And that's what you're looking to do over the next 2 to 3 days, something like that. And then you can hold the 200-day. And then your next move, you can pump all the way up as I'm going to clear out that. You can pump and clear out the 0.01067 and start to try to retest and reclaim some more bullish and some more higher levels after we've been suppressed. If you stay below this 0.008, that's your bearish level, where if you get below that and then you get below the 50, that's how you get short-term bearish. Like the channel, the rain is cleaning up. I'm going to run into my father's house so I can barbecue for him. Peace and love. Enjoy the week on the Rex Eyebrow. Jabroni Killers, $3.99 a month to support the channel. Jay.